Ang opposite side, Fernando po, the last station, Darinta. Grabe na ba? You see the floor, guys? It's different in European countries. It's very clean. Yeah. Hintayin lang natin lumarga. Hintayin lang natin ang opposite train. I'm just waiting for the opposite train to come and then stop. I'm glad it's free and the last station, Redemptorist, is near to my hotel. Come on. Grabe, maugong ang station. Baka makakrak. Hindi matibay. Nagmumove eh. Sana yung train na isa. Ayan, parating na yata. Tagal, wala pa. Nagagalit ng security guard, hindi umuurong. Ang dami dito, trend yung sa kabila, wala. Sa kanilang safety din yun, hindi nakikinig sa security guard.